Hey everyone, a scene. You're sitting at your desk, surrounded by crypto news and charts. A friend walks in, looking confused. Friend, hey, I've been thinking about getting into crypto. I heard about this app called Newton. Is it any good? You pause dramatically. Well, that's a great question. Newton has been making waves in the crypto world, but is it really the right choice for you? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. What is Newton? Cut to a screen showing the Newton app interface. Narrator: Newton is a Canadian-based cryptocurrency trading platform. It offers a user-friendly interface, a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, and competitive fees. But is it the best option out there? Section 2. Key features of Newton. Visuals of different features in action. Narrator: Let's break down some of the key features that make Newton stand out. User-friendly interface: Newton's app is designed with beginners in mind. Even if you're new to crypto, you'll be able to navigate the platform with ease. Wide range of supported cryptocurrencies: whether you're interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or more niche coins, Newton has you covered. Competitive fees: Newton's trading fees are generally lower than some of its competitors, making it a cost-effective option. Security: your funds are kept safe with Newton's advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold storage. Section 3. Pros and cons of Newton. Visuals of a balance scale with pros and cons. Narrator: Now, let's weigh the pros and cons of using Newton. Pros: easy to use. Wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Competitive fees. Secure. Cons: limited educational resources. Customer support can be slow at times. Section 4. Is Newton right for you? Visuals of different people considering their crypto needs. Narrator: The best crypto app for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a beginner looking for a simple and secure way to buy and sell crypto, Newton might be a good choice. However, if you're a more experienced trader looking for advanced features and tools, you might want to explore other options. Section 5. Alternatives to Newton. Quick overview of popular alternatives. Narrator: Before you make a decision, let's take a quick look at some popular alternatives to Newton. Coinbase, a well-established platform with a wide range of features, including staking and earning rewards. Binance, a global exchange with a vast selection of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading tools. Kraken, a popular exchange known for its security and low fees. Section 6. Conclusion. Return to the original scene with your friend. To answer your question, Newton is a solid choice for beginners looking for a user-friendly and secure crypto app. However, it's important to do your own research and consider your specific needs before making a decision. Friend, thanks for the information. I'll definitely give Newton a try. Narrator: On-screen text: Is Newton the right crypto app for you? Decide for yourself. Narrator: With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.